Sup guys, my name is Andrew. I like to talk about men's health, men's grooming, men's fashion, and in today's video I would like to share with you how to instantly elevate your style. Let's get into it. The first thing that you're gonna have to do is to find out what is your style. Ask yourself this question: what is my style? How do I want to dress? Do I want to wear basic t-shirts, basic colors, white, gray, whatever? Ask yourself, do I want to wear colored socks? Or do I want to wear only white socks? Or maybe only black socks? Ask yourself these questions. For me, personally, I like to only wear black and white socks. That's my style. And then I also like to wear blue jeans as well as black jeans. Some simple t-shirts on the top of it. And when it comes to shorts, I also like to keep it simple, you know, nothing crazy, nothing insane. That's basically it. So that is my style, okay? I like to keep it classic, okay? I don't want to go completely overkill, you know, colored. I like to wear a leather jacket, for example, stuff like that, okay? So what you have to find out is what is your style. Do you want to wear, for example, cargo pants? Okay, that's a really big trend right now as well. I would one day want to own one pair of cargo pants. Like, cargo pants are really useful. They're probably the most useful pants on the market, I guess. So find out what your style is, how you want to dress. Maybe you want to get some tattoos, okay? I will probably one day get myself some tattoos, but not yet. Second, stick to the basics, okay? That's what personally means great style for me. I like to stick to basics, simple jeans, simple tees like I showed you. And I don't like much of these designer clothes, especially if you're a teenager. I think buying all those designer clothes and all those largely expensive clothes is really not a great option for you, because you're gonna grow from those clothes almost immediately, and then you would have to sell it to someone or maybe give it back to the shop. But I suppose the shop is not gonna want to take it back from you because you wore it, let's say, for 2 years or something like that, maybe even 1 year. Because if you're really growing fast, then you know you can waste a lot of money on this, and so I wouldn't really recommend it, because then you can really lose a lot of your money. And if you stick to the basics and if you don't buy anything completely expensive when you are a teenager, I think that right there is the win, and you can really like improve the way you look even on a budget. If you don't come from a rich family, then buying all those designer clothes is a completely ridiculous idea, so I wouldn't recommend it. In my opinion, if you're a teenager, stick with the basics. When your times comes, when the finances come, then you can experience with your style. But right now, for example, you might not have those finances yet. Number 3 is to get rid of old clothes that your mother bought you. You want to get rid of those. If you are still having those in your closet, like, get rid of them. Switch to new ones. Buy yourself some new items. Buy yourself some new t-shirts, new jeans, anything that you want to wear, okay? The style is up to you, and how you're gonna look like and how you want to present yourself to the world only depends on you. So I recommend getting rid of those clothes, because the way you want to present yourself really matters, in my opinion, and you should not skip on that. Number 4 is to get a fashion inspiration online. The way I style myself, the way I look mostly, and the way I just present myself to the world, I've learned that from the internet, okay? You can get so much fashion inspiration on the internet nowadays. What I would do is that I would just go on the internet and maybe watch some YouTubers that have the specific fashion that you would like to dress. Find a way that you want to dress, that you want to present yourself to the world. When you're young, nowadays I think schools, the education is out there. You can learn something, but in my opinion, people should learn outside of school about fashion, about finances, about whatever, okay? It doesn't matter. Get the fashion inspiration from the internet and dress the way that you want. Number 5, learn to match colors. Learning to match colors is, in my opinion, one of the most important things that you can learn when it comes to fashion. And what I'm gonna need you to do is to step out of your bed, step out of your couch, or you're watching this video on, and just get in front of your mirror. Here I have a mirror, and whenever I want to dress myself properly and I want to style myself, get myself a great outfit, I always get in front of this mirror and I look which color matches each other. Can you do like this t-shirt with black jeans, let's say? And how would that look like? Like, you can really experiment highly, and I think every single person should use the ability of the mirror, because you can look your best the way you are, and thanks to the mirror you can style it however you want. And in my opinion, the most powerful colors are black and white, because those two you can match with almost everything. No matter what other color you're gonna choose to your outfit, like, you can rock anything. For example, white socks, white t-shirt, black jeans, and then a leather jacket on the top of it. And that's the outfit basically. And it looks pretty presentable. I mean, you can check it out here. It's quite good, actually. I'm really proud of it that I found this option for myself and I've styled myself this way. And the last tip that I have for you on today's list is to add some accessories. There's so much to experiment with. You can experiment in so many ways with accessories. For example, in my case, I like to wear rings. Here you can see that it's a piano on it. This is a piano ring. I like to play the piano, and so I got myself a piano ring. And I think every single accessory can really elevate the way that you look and how you present yourself to the world. And so I wear rings. Mostly I just wear this on the middle finger, but sometimes when I want to go like a little more dangerous, then I also wear this one. So I have two on one hand, and here, I don't know, there's just some poker cards, I would say. Then you can experiment with a lot of accessories. Okay, we have rings, we have necklaces. Okay, I also like to wear necklaces. You can see that it's actually a sword. You probably could even see it on some of my other videos. I just love necklaces. Okay, I really enjoy the way it can elevate your style. It can elevate the way you look. I would recommend it to anyone. Then we have watches, and as you can see, I don't have a watch because I'm not that rich to be able to afford a watch. I had some fake watches, you know, when I was a teenager and I wanted to look better. Got myself some fake watch. For example, I have here a fake watch. It doesn't even work anymore. And also, then we have sunglasses. Like, sunglasses are perfect in my opinion. You can experiment with sunglasses in so many ways. There are many various different sunglasses, and I think it's a must for summer because it protects your eyes and it gives your face a better structure, okay? Then we have bracelets, we have normal glasses, okay, blue light blocking glasses. You can do so much with accessories that you have to get yourself some, because without them it's boring, okay? It's gonna be boring. So get yourself some accessories and start experimenting with your style right now. That's all from me in today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, guys.